Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel VOCAB Jab, where we bring one new word every day to add to your vocabulary. So our today's word is bleak. So what does it mean? It means without color, pale, exposed, not encouraging or hopeful. Let's look at few similar words that will help you understand the word bleak better. Dull, hopeless, depressing, etc. Now let us see how to use the word bleak in a sentence. So here is the first sentence. The future looks bleak for the fishing industry. So what does it mean? It means that the fishing industry will face problems in the near future. Now let us look at another sentence. We are lucky to have such choices in these bleak times. Which means even though the time is not favorable, still we are lucky to have choices. So here is hoping that you will like our video and you will stay tuned for the next word. Thank you.